day has come. It's our move out day. We leave for Brazil in 4 days. We had an estate sale yesterday, and today is like the final clean out day. And tomorrow we have cleaners coming to do a final clean out of the house. House pretty much empty. There's someone coming for the sofas. We might leave an 86-inch TV for the renters. Josie leaves on a plane in 3 days to Brazil. There's a master bedroom. Empty. That's the only thing we're taking with us to Brazil. Suitcases. Still some stuff in there. Everything's pretty empty. Isabella's bed. So 4 more days. Well, today's the day. We're flying to Brazil. We got the house emptied out. And as you'll see, it's getting ready for the renters. This is our beautiful home in Somerville, South Carolina. Hi, Miss Isabella. Are you going somewhere today?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Brazil.
Brazil. You can tell by the echo, the house is empty.
Hi.
Tudo bom?
Tudo bem.
It's our house. Someone's going to have them a nice house to rent.
Daddy, go see my room.
Let's go see your own room. Here's Isabella's room. No, don't show. Well, it's pretty messy. Alright, let's show them the other rooms of our empty house. Yep, we've already seen the bathroom. What's next? Go over there. Laundry room. Master bedroom. Walk-in closet. Here's the master bath. And that's the toilet. Alright, next stop, João Pessoa, Brazil.
Yeah.
Ciao. I'm gonna show you the little gazebo area. Whoever rents the house have a nice little area to relax. Angel trumpets. Have you ever seen these? These are beautiful flowers. Very poisonous, but at night they smell really good. In the day sun, you'll see them drooping. That's normal. Then they perk back up. It's a nice little gazebo area. Yard's pretty well maintained. It's a small little backyard, but it has everything the renters are gonna need. Yep, a lot of leaves. Yeah, a nice little area to relax. in the spring, in the fall in South Carolina. It's a good place to hang out even in the wintertime. Then if you don't know what that box is right there, that's a whole house generator. You lose power, this Generac will power the entire house. Has Wi-Fi so I can check the status anywhere. You got a green light, that means it's good to go. Your electricity goes off, within 5-10 seconds that generator's come on. It will power your entire house on natural gas until power is restored. So whoever rents this place is going to be very fortunate if they lose power. I'm leaving this bird cage here because every summer we have a Carolina wren that lays a nest there. We thought the renters might like that. So we left the bird cage. Well, that's it. Say bye, everybody. We'll see you in Brazil.
Bye, everybody.
We're flying away today.
We're flying away today. We're going to see in Brazil.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and guess what? We are now in Brazil. We have moved to Brazil. The day has come, and I want to show you our house. We rented this house sight unseen. Only my sister-in-law checked it out before we arrived. It's a little bit different from the pictures and what we expected, but you know, we're gonna make it work. We already paid the rent. We're good to go, and now I'm going to take you on a little tour. And here we go. So this is the outside gate to our house. The house is pretty secluded. We really don't have any neighbors. We have a dead end. And this is the house. It's just over 5,000 square feet. We have 3 stories. On the first floor is the carport, and it's also like a makeshift apartment. Somebody can live there and you would never see them. You can see here's the pool, and if you hear in the background, my daughter's crying for some reason. She's almost 5. So we just arrived here yesterday in the afternoon. We're still getting things situated. We still don't have any dishes or cookware or anything else in the house. We need a microwave. We need pots and pans and all that good stuff, and some more groceries. But we do have a pool boy that's coming a couple days a week to make sure the chemicals and everything are great and safe to swim in. So I'll show you the first floor first, down by the carport. It's a little weird. It's a little strange, but it can be kind of like a mother-in-law suite. Officially, you would say this house has a 4-bedroom, and I think there's 5 or 6 baths. There's really a lot of baths here, or bathrooms. So this is a downstairs room. It's kind of, like I said, it's kind of strange. It looks like it used to be an apartment for the owner's son, perhaps. But you have a sink there, another double sink there. And looks like somebody made a makeshift bed on some crates, but it's on wheels, partly. It's strange. Let me see this. We got any lights here? It's kind of dark, but there is kind of a hot tub out here and a little grill. So again, this house is like 5,000 square feet. It's set up kind of strange. It's organized weird. It doesn't really flow, but you know, it's just really big. Here's the laundry room. You come out here, you hang your clothes up there. Some clotheslines, another Little sink out here. So now I'll take you on a little tour of the upstairs. You can either climb up the stairs over there, or there's a walkway over to the right. We're located about a little less than a mile from the beach in João Pessoa, Brazil. So you have a little walkway here, go into the living area. There's a lot of wildlife around here. There's monkeys and little marmosets and stuff. There's a little sitting area on the porch that overlooks the pool. Don't mind our stuff. We have stuff laid out all over. God bless Amanda sneezing. And here's the kitchen. Not much to it. It's a pretty basic kitchen. We have to add some things to it. We have a gas stovetop. And in Brazil, they use these tanks, kind of like a propane tank. I don't know if it's propane or if it's natural gas. I'm not sure. But it's a weird layout. But we'll make it home. We have some things we have to do. And there's a back porch. So I plan to put like a little tabletop gas grill over here. There's a little wet bar. Be a cool little area to have like a little dinner. There's the skyline, Altiplano, and João Pessoa apartment buildings. Now we'll take a walk upstairs. You see the bedrooms. You see the house is really big for Brazilian standards. Here's the first bedroom. Has its own bathroom. Then it has this strange storage area. I'm not exactly sure what it's for. We'll figure it out. As you notice, there's no windows or screens, but there's no flying bugs like in America. There's nothing flying around at night that's coming to eat you like in America. Here's the second bedroom. Again, another bathroom. And if you've never been to Brazil, they have on-demand water heaters. It's electric that plugs right into the wall above your shower. I know, it doesn't seem safe, but it's definitely a Brazil thing. So it's a good, was that a queen size or a full size bed? And here's the master bedroom, and there's Isabella. So we still have a bunch of stuff everywhere. bunch of stuff laid out. We haven't figured out what we're doing with everything yet. Here's the master bath. You know, it has everything you need. So it has like another porch area up here. We need to get some nice porch furniture. That's a big porch. Here's the pool. Big open field. You always see cows out there grazing. And there's a lot next to us. It's overgrown. And that's where you usually see the monkeys. So that's a little tour. In future videos, we'll show you some more around the local area in Brazil. Tomorrow, our dog Josie arrives from America. She was just picked up today by an international pet travel company. And she's being escorted all the way down to João Pessoa, Brazil. Because she couldn't come with us on the plane. Only certain airlines allow dogs on the plane or inside the plane with the person. And in this case, Josie was too big because they have to go under the seat in the right in front of you in order to be allowed. So, uh-oh. My wife is yelling at our daughter.
Hi.
Oh, you done yelling? Let me show you about this bed. I keep hitting my shins. Got little shin killers right here. See this? Nice board. Running along. Every time I walk by, I hit my shin on it. But like I said, it has a air conditioner in this room and the other room. Right now there's a good breeze coming right through the house. You don't need it on. When we go to sleep, we'll turn the air conditioner on. But you just don't need it right now. So that's our house. We are in Brazil. Every day is going to be a new experience. We went to the beach today and met up with some friends that I met online who also speak English. And it's good to know somebody in a foreign land that speaks English along with yourself. And so we're going to have a lot more adventures, a lot more stuff going on. The mother-in-law's coming to visit tonight already. And once we get everything situated here, we'll have little cookouts, invite people over, have little pool parties. But until then, we'll update you probably tomorrow. I'll shoot some video of the homecoming of our Josie, the Italian Greyhound, arriving at the airport here in Brazil. So until then, so long. Thanks for visiting, watching, subscribing, and sharing. Thanks. Bye.